for my YouTube channel.
Can you not lean on the truck for a second?
Okay.
Every time you move, I move. First I thought it was the wind.
How'd that feel?
She's killing me today.
Now that's the one you got the elk with?
Huh?
Is that the one you got the elk with?
These are my reloads.
So you packed this yourself? Most people do that?
A lot of them
Pack
do.
them one time. I am not the bullet packer. Pulled that one. I think it's still good.